Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CDE. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So all this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then just makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. A very nice movement today, not only from a price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume, and by far the biggest volume this chart has had for quite a while. So a lot of eyeballs on this one, so let's map out some levels of support, and then we can talk areas of resistance. First level of support would be what I would call the ideal level. When you say, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? That would be if the price can stay up above $4.25. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below $4.25, by no means am I saying the entire chart's broken or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to actually stay up above that area, that would certainly be a huge sign of power going forward. Taking a step back and looking at things from more so a big picture point of view, that is where the purple line down here comes into play, the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move is just to keep an eye on that purple line, meaning as long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you can best visualize that, that is what's being represented. Sure, staying above 425, that would be great. However, from the grand scheme of things, as long as the price stays above that purple line, then the bulls 100% own the chart. What about areas of resistance? In terms of where the sellers are at, pretty straightforward. Nothing fancy behind it other than, on a couple different occasions today, the price tried to get up through that 445 mark and couldn't quite do it. So 445 is where those sellers are very clearly hanging out. So that'll be public enemy number one going forward. All in all, though, great movement today. Let's see if the bulls can build upon this momentum going forward or not. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.